Alright guys, in this video I'm going to be talking about the while loop, alright? And there are actually two types of loops. There's the while loop, which is more of a beginner type of thing, and there's the for loop that, most professional programmers use. And, these do the exact same things, but I'm just going to show you the while loop for now, okay? And so the while loop is used when you want to loop through something and you want to do a certain task multiple times given a certain condition, okay? And so let's show you what I mean, all right? So let's have a variable called condition, and we're gonna call this condition is equal to 2, okay? And so we're gonna say while our condition is less than a number 19, then we're gonna execute a certain task. And let's say the task is going to be print condition. And so the condition, right? All we're gonna do is print out the number 2, okay? And so you can kind of guess what's going to happen here, right? Since our number 2 will always be less than 19, we're just going to print out this condition an infinite amount of times. And it's clearly shown when we run it. Like it's going 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 all the way down, right? It never stops and it's going to keep going like this. Okay, so we're going to actually, we're going to stop running it right here. Okay. And so let's try to do this more rationally, right? How would we make this a finite amount of time so that the 2 would not be infinite? Well, there's a certain thing in Python we can do condition plus equals 1, and this is kind of weird, all right? And basically what this plus equals means is condition is equal to condition plus 1, okay? These both mean the exact same thing. And so basically, I'm actually gonna comment this out. Alright, so that you know that these two are the same thing. So what this while loop is gonna tell us right here, oh, I gotta expand that back out. So what this while loop is telling us is that while condition is less than 19, we're gonna actually add 1 to our condition, right? And then we're gonna print out the condition, which is the number. And so it's going to keep going through this until we keep adding condition all the way to its 19. All right. So we're going to go through this one loop through, and it's going to add 1 to the condition. So then our condition is going to be 3. We're going to go through it again, right? Because condition is still less than 19. Then our condition will be 4. All right. Then we're going to go through this one more time. All right. It's going to add 1 to our condition. Our condition will be 5, and it'll print out 5, and it'll keep doing that till it's 19. And let me show you how it looks like. And look at that, it printed out 2, right? 2, 3, and because we added 1, 4, because we added another one, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And there are a lot more ways than just printing out certain numbers like condition, right? For example, we could, if a new user is generated or something, we can print out certain settings, right? So let's say our program only wants, we're going to call this amount of users, okay? So given amount of users, right, because condition doesn't exist, amount of users, we're going to take this out of here, and then amount of users. All right, so we're going to start off with 1 user on our program, and we only want 10 users in our program, right? Because this is an exclusive program right here. So if we want to print out a certain setting, hey, oh, I gotta add my quotation marks. Hey, welcome to the program. Okay, and so we only want 10 users, and therefore we only want to print this out um, 10 times, all right? And let's actually print out the user's name. Let's call this user 1, user 2. All right, so hey, blank, amount of users, right? Because we want to print out the user number. Then we're going to comment this out. So, hey, user 1, welcome to the program. Hey, user 2, welcome to the program, okay? And we're going to, or it's going to say just hey 1, hey 2, hey 3, right? Let's say hey 1, hey 2, hey 3, all the way till 9, right? Because we don't want to reach this number 10. So hey 1, welcome to the program. Hey 2, welcome to the program, right? It's going to loop through this a bunch of times. And there are so many more complex ways to use this while loop. This is a really simple example. And later on, I just want you guys to experiment with this while loop. And, just think about those certain ways you can use this loop, right? Try to connect it back to artificial intelligence, try to connect it back to stock numbers, data analysis, okay? And you'll find some really neat things. So that kind of concludes this video up, and I'll see you in the next video where we're going to talk about for loops.